You've likely heard of or even used one of our famous Leather Honey products, like our classic leather cleaner and conditioner, which are the best-selling leather care products on Amazon today. That's exactly why you'll love the convenience of our UV Protectant Spray Leather Cleaner. This premium UV protectant formula is specifically designed to clean and protect genuine leather, vegan leather, and faux leather, in addition to vinyl, rubber, and plastic items. Our innovative, industry-leading spray cleaner works to clean and safeguard your car seats, furniture pieces, purses, and saddles, as well as your favorite motorcycle gear. That's because our leather spray cleaner comes in a convenient, simple-to-use 16-ounce spray bottle filled with Leather Honey's flagship non-toxic formula, which features a specialized combination of UV-resistant protectants that gently clean dirt, oil, and grime, while also protecting leather products from sun damage, discoloration, and fading. So now that we've shared why you need Leather Honey's UV Protectant Leather Cleaner, let's show you how to apply it to your car's interior. Step 1. Because leather, faux leather, and vinyl can vary widely, it's important to spot test the spray in a small, discreet area and check for possible reactions. Step 2. Spray a lint-free cloth, then gently wipe down the surface. Step 3. Allow the surface to dry completely. And on genuine leather, follow up with the Leather Honey conditioner. Step 4. Sit back and enjoy the sheen of your freshly cleaned surface. Voila! Consider your items now cleaned and protected from the sun's harmful rays, all thanks to Leather Honey's UV Protectant Leather Cleaner. Leather Honey, trusted by the best since 1968. For the latest up-to-date information and new specials on all Leather Honey cleaning products, visit us at leatherhoney.com today.